two innocent civilians has been kidnapped from Ndianiche Obinetiti by the members of Ebubeagu. I want to use this medium to address Biafrans to disregard every information coming to you from Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, because she had no connection, she had no contacts, and she had no relationship with the men of Biafra Defense Forces.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Today being 12th of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, you can see the Musa and Asari guys are in Umanolo, around Izuogu, Obinetiti, Okigwe Azix. They are there now, arresting any young guy they see on sight, because according to them, once you are a young guy, they have already tagged you. That you are a member of the Biafra Liberation Army, or that you are a spy working with the Biafra Liberation Army. Young guys have on sight. So many of the young guys have run away from their ancestral home. So many are now hiding in the bush. When we all these things stop, when we people feel free to be in their land, or in the name of looking for gentle, or in the name of trying to stop the Biafra Liberation Army, or in the name of looking for engine makeup, and they are now chasing young men away from their father's land. It doesn't make sense, guys. It doesn't make sense.
Greetings, consensus peoples of the world and lovers of freedom all over the world. I want to keep the record straight over what is currently going on in the land of Biafra. And like I promised Biafrans that I will be updating them in everything that the Nigerian securities are doing in the land of Biafra. And before I will proceed into this breakdown of information, I want to give to honor to whom honor is due, in the person of Chief of Armed Forces of Biafra land, in the person of General Igwe Botoso Mpamonsa. And I want to also appreciate the good efforts, his good efforts, who always give me the privilege, the opportunity to enlighten Biafrans, informing Biafrans over the security situations, in the person of Major General Gento de Yahoo, the Igwe Obatobie, Baburuburu Nala Okigwe. Biafrans, I want to keep the record straight for you to understand what is currently going on in the land of Biafra, as the information reaching to me from Okigwe is that the members of Ebubeagu in Izuogu have commenced their kidnapping activities. The information reaching to me now is that two innocent civilians has been kidnapped from Ndianiche Obinetiti by the members of Ebubeagu. The Ebubeagu security of Hope Osodema and the Igbo politicians I want to let Biafrans to understand that they have commenced their kidnapping activities currently going on. And I want Biafrans all over, both home and abroad, to investigate the kidnapping activities in Obinetiti around Izuogu on the 7th of September 2025. As the information reaching to me, according to the video I'm about to show you, I don't want to talk much on that, but the information I want to tell you before showing you the video is that the unknown gunmen, according to the information, that unknown gunmen invaded in the little Obinetiti in black Legarian. And after, during the investigation, that the men of defense forces found out that it was the members of Ebubeagu in Izuogu, under the watch of Hopos Odema and the Masisumes, Esekosman, and the Izuogu politicians.
And Makeup has already narrated and explained the operational method of all these Musa guys. Because according to NJ Makeup, the Musa and Asari guys are kidnappers. They are kidnapping the Biafrans, extorting money from them, buying some of them, and whatever they are doing is not accepted in Biafran land. He also said that Ngozi Arabeze is not working for them, and that they are not working for Ngozi Arabeze. That Ngozi Arabeze is trying everything possible to destroy the men on ground. But the men on ground, they ketikiti, they know they shake, they know they give ear to anybody, according to NJ Makeup. But here in Magnetic Jigs TV, we are asking this question. Don't you think that it's going to be a beautiful thing that all these groups fighting themselves should come together? Because it is a common goal, which is Biafra, except some are not genuine. But if all of them are genuine, this Biafra, all of them can join hands together and achieve it. There is no need of buying each other. There is no need of trying to harm each other. Why the main people, the main Fulani herdsmen are out there waiting for us to become so weak so that they can devour us. Guys, all these things going on in the name of you are a saboteur. Why everybody supposed to join hands together? All these things need to stop, because it is time to join hands together.
So I want you to carry out this investigation for you to understand those who are responsible of the insecurity that is going on, that is unaliving the life of Biafrans on daily basis. Secondly, I want to use this medium to address Biafrans to disregard every information coming to you from Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, because she had no connection, she had no contacts, and she had no relationship with the men of Biafra Defense Forces under the control of General Igwe Botozo. As the information reaching us is that Dr. Ngozi Arabeze is preparing herself in order to celebrate with the illegitimate president of Nigeria terrorist government over Mazi Simon Ekpa's 6 years imprisonment. And I want to let you, dear friends, to understand and disregard any information that is coming from her or her USB government. They are all trying to hijack the Biafran struggle. Finally, I want to let Biafrans to understand something about the Southeast politicians, what they are currently doing now. The information reaching to my notice is that the Nigerian politicians, especially the Southeast governors and the senators, are going to villages, recruiting Igbo youths to start killing Igbo youths. The Southeast governors, the Southeast politicians, the Igbo politicians, in collaboration with Nigerian terrorist army securities, are now recruiting local vigilantes, empowering them with arms in order to start killing their own people. So I want to bring to the notice of the international leaders for them to understand the current situation that is currently going on, that the Nigerian terrorist government is using their resources. They are using every means in order to make sure that they destroy Allah Igbo by recruiting Igbo youths into Ebubeagu terrorist group in order to use them to commit heinous crimes. And finally, I am here to address Biafrans for them to understand that the men of defense forces is not afraid. We are standing gallant, we are standing resolute, and we are standing strong. And I am appealing to Biafrans to support the Biafran defense forces in order to protect our motherland. God bless you as you share this information. Watch this video I'm about to show you and investigate it and know where the problems are coming from. Ebubeagu are the one responsible. Asari are the one responsible for the inhumanity to human that is currently unaliving the life of Biafrans. Thank you for listening to this information.
Madam Ibolachi. Anụrụ m na enwe mmadụ abụọ kidnapụrụ this side. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? So m na-ajụ ajụjụ ka mmata onye dị ha ahụ kidnapụrụ, matakwanụ otu o si mee. So unfortunately, people are direct time to your houses and you will the person. No way back a kidnapper the people. Because when you take out run to Shirime.
Sunday by 12 o'clock. I am a Puchanola. Didn't want to bar on the creepy. Rock was a lamb. Buale before. We saw the mobile say a babu as soon as some about say a babu. The buena you at the before you go and egg a cover before you buy. I stand away you may not a young Maziana, our colleague Quaco. I still a saucy here, I say a way vinia, Uru handcuff for way and Miss Omanaka. And the help upon a water, hey, if you pay by a bossas. I put a sea of your or your yakahesti, I put a bow, see your yana.
Na Sunday ka ha mere.
Sunday.
Ndị bịakwanụ bịa eburu ha sikwana ha wee elende ka ha kọwara gị enwe ihe jụrụ ha enwe ihe ha gwara gị.
Si jụwa ha ka ihe ndị ahụ ma ndị nke ọzọ ama m ihu eyi black and black were ihe kọvascha ihu mere onye nke mma bụ Uchenna mere ihu ya hụ wee korokoro ndị nke ọzọ ama m fesi ha mere ha yikwata black and black.
Uchenna ma gịnị ka ọ na-arụ ọwa onye elebe?
Ọkwa security panel.
Uchenna na security na elebe. Biko madam elebe wu elu ala ma gwa m ebe wu elu ala.
Enu ani bụ ochi ụlọ.
Okay, ha sị na ha wụ ndị security shi ochi ụlọ. Enwe ihe ndị ọzọ ha were na be gị ewezuga dịghị na nwanne ya nwoke ha kwuru.
Enwe ihe ha were spika nwanne gị were MP nwa m nwoke ma MP Odogbuka ma nke Mmesoma ha wee kpa bukọcha ihe ahụ niile ụgbọala
bukọcha ihe ndị niile
bukọcha jee na ka ndị pọs m zinye pọs m were 25,000 ndụ na ya.
Ok, ihe zụchaghị ohi kidnapụrụ digo na ụmụ pụọ dadere madam.
Guys, keep praying for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu as his court case is coming faster next month being October. Yes, so thank you fans, thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best.